That sign is clearly a legally binding contract and he is here to collect. You're trying to film your debut as a serious feline influencer, but the neighbor is a total stage hog with zero boundaries and very wet nostrils.
Te preocupás, es que claro, si pasa mucho tiempo.
Cat just tried to enter a room that was still rendering and lagged into the back rooms.
Oh my god!
You download the cat software, but it keeps glitching during the installation process.
Want to check it out? Okay, go. Leave it.
Moment when you realize the intrusive thoughts are winning, but the dog is way bigger than you. Intent was there, follow-through was questionable. Boss is still deciding if your application for attention has been approved or if he should just file it under the scratching post. Wait for it. You order a golden retriever, but it arrives in concrete gray. Rebranding as a clay sculpture in 3, 2, 1.
You enjoying yourself? Yeah.
Transition from scanning for intruders to realizing the neighbor just started grilling is a cinematic masterpiece.
Слышала этот грохот. Я прихожу, елка лежит. Что вы думаете, знаете, где мои коты? Одна сидит в сковородке, в новой, как ни в чем не бывало. Кто елку уронил? Кто уронил елку? Ей вообще пофиг. А второй, смотрите, куда.
The neighborhood bully realizes the new kid has zero fear and a very sharp set of claws. That quick 180 is the universal sign for I actually forgot I had an appointment literally anywhere else. That cat did not even have to hiss to send him back to the woods. You try to start a conversation with the quiet group at the party and they all just stare at you in coordinated judgment. You and your best friend hear the neighbors fighting and realize you both have the exact same level of investment in the tea.
Don't do it. You're gonna fall. You're gonna...
Cat is convinced that if he just wiggles his way past the suitcase he can finally make his escape to a better life with more...
رياضة للمسبح عطادي يلا 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 بجيك في النادي.
Precise moment his one brain cell realized it was a vegetable and not a piece of chicken. You try to steal his emotional support chicken, but he has a black belt in sleep fighting.
Yeah.
Oke, no me gruñas, no me gruñas.
Try to sneak a snack from the fridge at 2 a.m., but the fridge has other plans. This eel is really taking the concept of fast food a bit too literally. 1 minute. You accidentally turn on the front-facing camera and realize you have no thoughts, just static and a tiny pink nose.
She's getting excited.
You forget that mirrors exist and suddenly think your house is being haunted by the fluffiest intruders you have ever seen. Huh? 3 a.m. Zoom eyes need a 1 a.m. physics lesson. Safety first even for polar bears because the commute from the Arctic to the tropical suburbs is a long ride. Of my investigation into the great spinning portal. My favorite sock is still missing and I suspect foul play. I will continue to bark at the glass until the trying to reach the top shelf but forgetting I'm only 5'2". Waiting for the restaurant to open like it is the midnight release of a new kibble brand. They have even got the bouncer in the Santa. You and the squad haven't decided who's the designated driver.
Spank that butt. Let me spank that butt. Let me spank that butt. Let me spank that butt.
It's just the opening act. I am the main event. Your dog thinks it's the main character, but the cat is the director, the lead choreographer, and the physical education teacher.
Oh no!
Snack that hugs back. Pulled up to the function and everyone was already in their designated spa pods. Thought they were starting a dance battle, but it turns out they were just arguing over who has to pay the property taxes on this lawn.
What are they doing?
Are they okay? I think
Yo, you guys good?
he wants to be boxing.
What are we doing? Oh my god, what is wrong with him?
Moment when your dog thinks he is a professional groomer but your cat is reconsidering every life choice that led to this friendship.
Oh!
You realize the finger gun is loaded with actual betrayal. The broccoli is free, but the existential dread of being a groundhog is forever. Your Uber driver is clearly done with your life story, but still. Your human spends all weekend building you a custom door, but forgets that you are technically a.
Тебе тут пришли сказать доброе утро, чтобы у тебя был хороший.
Your cat thinks they are the final boss, but the goat didn't even see the health bar appear. Floor is Lava Champion 2026. This cat just completed a The packages you ordered arrive, but the energy to unbox them does not. You hit the treadmill, but your back legs are still in weekend mode.
Да нет, нет.
Gravity is set to 2.0, but your motivation is only at 0.5. Convinced, this cat just disconnected from the server. The manager yells at the supervisor, so the supervisor yells at you, but you have already transcended to a different. Cat is currently trying to find the mute button on this live performance.
Roof, what is that?
Hi, Shine. How are you?
Ultimate carrot dangling strategy backfired when he realized he wasn't the one in control of the snacks or his personal space.
Künefe. Künefe. Künefe.
You finally meet your internet crush in person and realize they were using a very generous camera angle. You realize the game is rigged because you only have 2 hands, but the machine has 5.